Stop right there. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that will completely transform the taste and impact of your food. And it has a tiny, powerful secret that will amaze you. Some ingredients we use every day, but their small hidden secrets are often overlooked. It's just like having a treasure in front of you, but not being able to recognize it. Take onions, for example. We usually use them just for flavor, but they contain elements that are beneficial for our energy and even brain power. Some people even say that eating onions daily can improve memory or boost energy. The amazing part is that people thousands of years ago were also using this same ingredient. In our daily life, these small ingredients are so important that if we use them correctly, even ordinary food becomes special. Have you ever noticed how just a small aroma in a simple dish can change the entire flavor? That tiny secret enhances both the taste and natural benefits. This secret is small, but its effect is truly amazing. And the most interesting part is that what you're seeing today is already available in your kitchen. You might think that ordinary ingredients are only for taste, but the truth is completely different. The small everyday ingredients provide subtle benefits, and these little secrets make every bite of food special. Now it's time to reveal the real secret. In this recipe, we've added a special ingredient, cloves. Everything you saw in today's video, everything you witnessed live with your own eyes, you can do the same way and in the same style. These small natural ingredients will not only make your food special, but are truly beneficial too. If you learned something new today, make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Comment below and tell me which recipe you want to learn next, and I'll show it to you in my next video.